In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to hide a question in SurveyMonkey. Whether you're a seasoned survey creator or just getting started, knowing how to control the visibility of your questions can be crucial for tailoring surveys to your audience or collecting more accurate data. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to surveymonkey.com. This is your starting point for accessing all your surveys and diving into the editing process. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, go ahead and log in so you can access your surveys. Next, look for the All Surveys option on the dashboard. This is where you'll find a list of all the surveys you've created or have access to. Click on All Surveys to view them. This step is crucial because you need to select the specific survey where you want to hide a question. Now, from the list of surveys, click on the one you want to edit. This will open up the survey's editing interface where you can make all necessary changes. Once you've opened the survey, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the logic option, usually found in the survey editing menu. Clicking on logic will lead you to several advanced settings that control how your survey functions. Within the logic settings, you'll see an option for custom variables. This is an essential feature for creating more dynamic surveys by controlling which questions are shown to which respondents based on their previous answers. However, if you're unable to access this feature, you might notice a prompt to upgrade. This indicates that the functionality is part of a more advanced plan. In this scenario, you'll need to upgrade your SurveyMonkey plan to access the custom variables feature. SurveyMonkey offers different tiers of plans, each with its own set of features and capabilities. Upgrading might involve additional costs, but it also unlocks a range of powerful tools that can enhance your survey's effectiveness. To proceed with the upgrade, follow the prompts provided by SurveyMonkey. They will guide you through selecting the right plan and completing your purchase. Once your plan is upgraded, return to the logic settings and access the custom variables feature to hide your questions as needed. And there you have it. With your upgraded plan, you can now hide questions in your SurveyMonkey surveys to create a more tailored and responsive experience for your respondents. This feature can be particularly useful when you want to streamline your survey, avoid overwhelming participants, or ensure that only relevant questions are asked based on previous responses. I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember that customizing your survey's logic can significantly improve the quality of the data you collect and provide a better experience for your respondents. Thanks for watching and happy surveying.